Here's what's making news on Roadshow. The Volkswagen ID.R is a winner, baby. Volkswagen's electric race car shattered the Pikes Peak hill climb record for electric cars, clocking a 7-minute, 57.148-second run across 12.42 miles and 156 corners. It beats Sebastian Loeb's previous record from 2013 by about 15 seconds. If anything, it goes to show that a little bit of ingenuity and a whole lot of money go a long way in breaking records. Harley-Davidson is packing up some of its US operations. The motorcycle manufacturer will eventually outsource production of bikes destined for Europe after retaliatory tariffs raised the overall price of each bike by about $2,200. For now, though, Harley refuses to let consumers bear that extra cost, but with an annual tariff absorption price tag of about $100 million, Harley-Davidson's largesse can only last for so long. The final Dodge Demon and Viper have been auctioned off for charity, and the result will definitely please the United Way. The pair of cars went to the Barrett-Jackson auction, and a lucky car fanatic paid a cool $1 million for a little slice of automotive history. The pair of cars also came with custom build sheets, authentication kits and letters, iPads filled with media, and a Demon crate. Congratulations to both the United Way and that lucky new owner. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.